Hey everyone, it is the Nature Man. Thanks for tuning in to another Natureman Adventures. And today we are back in the woods. Absolutely. And you know what we're going to be doing today? Doing another day camp in the rain. So it is predicting rain today. It's supposed to come within the next half hour or so. Rain is supposed to start, and then throughout the day. Possibly thunderstorms, maybe heavy downpours. We're going to find out. But let's see how well my AQUAQUEST tarp will do to protect me from the elements. I have a tree here to my right, another tree to my left. Hopefully they're a good distance apart to do my setup. We're gonna find out. If not, it's gonna be a fun day. Anyways, let me get the pack off, get set up, bring you guys back in just a moment. Just want to take a moment for you all to listen to the sounds of nature. As the birds are coming alive this morning, waking up. And then maybe the difference when, as the weather changes, all the creatures begin to hunker down because they know a storm's coming. It's amazing, folks. I'm looking at birds in the tree right now. Beautiful. What a really cool piece of wood, folks. You know, I just love the texture and the variations of color. And it's still a solid piece of wood. Even though it was easy to tear off of that main tree there, this thing is still solid. It's incredible. And you're probably thinking, Nature Man, I think you've lost it. You're looking at a piece of wood and just, it's like eye candy for you. Yeah, it is. Because in some ways, I look at this piece of wood and think, in the hands of an artist, this piece of wood could be part of something really special, right? Maybe as it is, or part of a collection, I don't know. But you never know what could be fashioned out of this piece of wood. So even though its original purpose on the tree has been fulfilled, where it probably branched out and was a home for the different birds and critters that would be on top of it, shade for anybody who came out through here and whatever, I don't know. But now it can serve a different purpose, either in the hands of an artist, or if I leave it here on the ground and to serve a purpose for a shelter for other little critters, but here on the ground, I don't know. But that's what I enjoy doing, folks. I enjoy coming out here and seeing what nature has to offer, and how different things may be, and how things change. It's like life. Everything is always changing, always evolving, transforming, and we are too, you know. Got a fly on me. But that's what makes life so unique and special. Always changing, folks. And it's about being part of that change when it happens, to embrace it, to enjoy it, to learn from it. So if you're out there and you just look around you, look for the unique pieces of wood. Look for something special. and just admire it because it's beautiful, and so are you. All right, I think I should drink some bubbly because I'm getting a little too sappy now. Too early in the morning. Cheers, my friends. Cheers. So beautiful out here, folks. I just needed to take a walk out and just explore this area with these trees. So very cool. Of course, there's the tent. Well, tarp, not tent. But you can see how tall these ferns are. It's crazy, huh? But I love the sound of it too. Beautiful, folks. It's turning out to be a beautiful day. Absolutely beautiful, folks. And this is why I love coming out here and showing you these incredible places. This is another one of those spots I just love to come to. It's a familiar area for me, but so beautiful. As you can see, it's wide open. You can see this beautiful sky as the clouds are just rolling through, passing through. It's just been incredible. And then just walking through this field of ferns here. I mean, crazy. But I love it. All right, let's get back to the tarp and the hammock and have some more of that coffee and just relax. All right, folks, I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell, but the weather has quickly changed from beautiful sunny blue skies to, yes, potential rain coming down. The winds have picked up, the clouds are rolling in. I've been getting some light misty rain on the tarp itself. What I did is I took away the hammock and I've reset this as a plow point setup. So the diamond to a plow point. basically dropping down the line, still having the corner staked out. Yeah, so what we're going to do now is we're going to get underneath here and stay protected for a little bit. Hopefully we don't get a tremendous downpour, but if we do, hopefully this will protect us from the elements. Woo, baby! Let's get ready, folks. Looks like it's going to downpour. Here it comes, folks. Here it comes. Oh yeah. All right, time to take shelter. So hopefully this will protect me enough. I hope so. If not, we're in trouble. But I do have rain pants and my rain jacket just in case. But we're hunkering down. And just like that, womp 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 womp. I don't get it, folks. I was batting down the hatches. I was getting ready for a heavy downpour, and then blue skies and clouds and the sunshine on a beautiful day. I don't know, folks. I mean, as you can see, there is remnants of some mist of rain that fell down, but not like I was expecting. I was truly expecting, like, okay, sheets of downpour, it's going to rain for like 5, 10, 15 minutes, and I'm going to have to hunker down. Don't get me wrong, folks. I am thankful that the sun is out, but by the same token, it makes me wonder, do I pack up my stuff to get out of here, or do I stick around longer? Because I do have other things to do today. I mean, I really just don't know what to do. What would you do in a situation like this? If the weather patterns were just acting absolutely crazy? Drop a comment below, let me know, folks, because I'm confused. I think the weather's confused. Anyways, well, I got the setup, so let me just enjoy it for a little bit, and who knows what's going to happen next. I don't know. But if nothing exciting happens, folks, I hope you've enjoyed this adventure for today and all the crazy weather patterns and the discussion we had and all that fun stuff. As always, folks, get out there, enjoy nature, enjoy life, get silly, get dirty with nature, and yeah, just have a good time. Because you know what? That's what life is all about. All right, folks. I'm going to blabber too much, so let me sign off for now. But like I said, if anything else happens, I will bring you guys back. Anyways, have a great day. God bless. See you on the next adventure.